I have to tell you the history of Mongolia of 12th century is very near to Soviet Union, to Russian history, because Mongolia is like a child of China and Soviet Union of Russia. And in 12th century, 20th century, Russia helped a lot Mongolia. You can read the history of Mongolia. Sometimes Russia gave the third part of all finance, all money of Mongolia. The third part of money gave Russia, helped Mongolia a lot. Stalin made few cruel things with Mongolia at his time. And now Mongolia is can be absolutely free from China, from Russia, but it's still, for example, take products from China and Russia, and economics of these countries are connected. So it's not unusual. I see Russian words here and see Soviet trains here. 100 years ago Mongolia was a part of China, you know. It was a thin empire, but in 1920s Mongolia got independence and Russia helped to hold it.